Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show and time to get your portfolio queries answered. I'm joined by Pankaj Mathpal from Optima Money Managers. Pankaj, hi, good evening and welcome to the show. And Pankaj, let's begin. Let's take Barinder Singh Bhatia's question. He says that he's self-employed and he's investing in mutual funds since 2016 and he wants you to check his funds out. He's doing SIP in Nippon Large Cap, Growth Fund, Quant Small Cap, Parak Parikh Flexi Cap, HDFC Flexi Cap, Axis Small Cap, HDFC Gold. And time horizon is almost 13 years and objective is wealth creation. He's an aggressive investor and he wants to know if any changes in the portfolio. And thank you so much, Barinder, for watching the show and, noting down all the required lessons or learnings you need to form your financial portfolio. So thank you so much for watching the show regularly. Yeah, Pankaj, over to you.
Vita, good evening. See, as Brinder has mentioned that he has been investing since 2016. So he must have accumulated a good amount by now, but he has not informed us about that. So if I calculate based on the information available with me that 60,000 rupees per month, he wants to invest and for 13 years. So at 12% CAGR, he can expect around 2 crore 15 lakh rupees in 13 years. And if he steps up by 10% every year, then he can expect around 3.49 crores. That is one part that how much he can expect by now. But most important, the fund mix in his portfolio. See, he has an aggressive portfolio, but it's well diversified across large cap, mid cap, small cap. Along with that, he also has gold in his portfolio. So it's a very well diversified but aggressive portfolio. So as he had mentioned that he has 13 years investment horizon and he is an aggressive investor. My suggestion that he can continue with all the funds in his portfolio. He doesn't need any change at this moment.
Okay, let's move on. Let's take Rashmita's question, and this is via email. She says that she is investing in mutual funds, and since last couple of months, she started, and she wants to know how the allocation is and if she should be adding or removing any fund. 20 CR in 25 years. Investing 40,000 per month, 10% annual step up is what she's planned for herself, and she can add another 10,000 rupees per month. ICICI Nifty 50 Index, ICICI Large and Mid Cap, HDFC Flexi Cap, GM Flexi Cap, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap, Axis Small Cap is in her portfolio.
See, let's talk first about the fund mix. So portfolio is good, but as she had mentioned that 25 years is the investment horizon, my suggestion that she can reduce her exposure to this ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 Index Fund and she can increase the SIP amount in her ICICI Prudential Large and Mid Cap Fund. So she is investing 15,000 per month in index fund. So 5,000 can be reduced from there and she can increase this ICICI Prudential Large and Mid Cap Fund SIP by 5,000 rupees. And for additional 10,000 rupees, what she wants to add now, she can top up Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund by 5,000. 5,000 rupees can be added to Axis Small Cap Fund. So she has a good fund in her portfolio. She doesn't need to add any new fund. But one small change I suggested, and for top up, 2 schemes I have recommended to her. Now let's talk about this, how much she can expect. Her expectation is 20 crore and definitely if she invests 50,000 per month and 10% step up and we expect 12% CAGR from her portfolio in 25 years, she can achieve her target. And one more thing I would like to recommend, mention here, see 20 crore looks very big, but if we consider the 6% inflation, the value will be something like 5 crore of today. But still, it's a good calculation, good target that she has taken for herself. And I expect that she will achieve her target comfortably.
All right, let's take Ben's question. Ben is investing 34,000 monthly, accumulated a corpus of 7 lakhs. Will do a 10% step up every year, expects almost 13% return. And investment horizon is almost 20 years. Nippon Flexi Cap is in his portfolio, Axis Small Cap, Miro LSS, SBI Mid Cap, HDFC Flexi Cap, and he wants to add more funds with an SIP of 6,000 and sum of 75,000 as well. what should be the option? He's considering Quant Flexi Cap, HDFC Multi Cap, SBI Large and Mid Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap.
See, 34,000 rupee SIP right now, and he wants to add 6,000 rupees. It means 40,000 per month plus his total value. What has been accumulated is 7 lakh plus 75,000 rupees. He wants to invest in lump sum now. So with this, if we calculate that 40,000 rupees per month SIP plus 7 lakh 75,000 rupees current corpus, we can expect something in 20 years. If I calculate with 10% step up what he has mentioned, something like 8.20 crore can be expected in 20 years. So that is the expectation what he can achieve. Second thing about this 6,000 rupees what he wants to add, though he has selected some funds, but because portfolio has all large cap, mid cap, small cap, my recommendation would be he should add one value fund, and ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund can be a good choice. He does not have that kind of fund in his portfolio, but still, when if you want to select one out of the funds which we have selected, then in that case, SBI Large and Mid Cap Fund can be a good choice for you.
All right. I think with that, it's a wrap on the show. That's all the time I have for our viewer queries section today. Thank you so much, Pankaj, for taking time out and helping our viewers. And for our viewers, I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and email ID where you can send across your queries. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.